Hey everyone and welcome back to another tech tip. In today's video, I'll show you how you can clear history, cache and cookies on your iPhone, iPad or iPod Touch. First, tap Settings, scroll down and tap Safari. Then tap Clear History and Website Data. This removes the list of websites you've visited, but when there's no history or website data to clear, this setting will turn gray. Then tap Clear to confirm it. After clearing the history and website data, the setting will turn gray. Cookies are the bits of data that sites use to identify you. In case you want to block all cookies, you can see the option right here. Let me turn it off for you. What you have to do is simply tap here and it'll ask you to confirm whether you want to block all cookies or not. Just tap block all and it will block all cookies. In the future, if you want to visit sites without leaving a history, then there's a solution to that. What you can do is open Safari and on the top right corner of the screen you can tap the tab option, and there again on the top right corner you can see three options which are private, plus and done. Tap on private and there Safari won't remember the pages you've visited and you can browse without leaving a search history. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.